I'm in Kent. Only in Kent for a couple of days. So I popped down to the beach, have a day here with the Deus 1. Got here last night quite late, and there was quite a lot of fishermen on the beach. So I'm just going to do the area along here and then drop into the sand. If I find something, you'll see it, whether it be trash or whether it be goodies. This is a notorious beach for rubbish, so the likelihood is it's probably going to be aluminium and bits of tin. But if not, you will see it. Enjoy, and see you at the first hole. Thank you for watching. Right, first hole. An 88.90. This is where all the windsurfers and that come, kite surfers. Just a lid. Just a lid. It's a 70-71, so it could be a bit of foil. Otherwise it could be a 20p piece. Can't see anything obvious. That's a bloody ring pull. Just a ring pull. Oh, it's a 78 solid. Don't know which way round I go. Oh, there it is. There, a bit of a tin can. Just a bit of a tin can. A can, surely. Yeah, there it is. One can. That sounded a bit iffy, but it's a bullet jacket that's come off. So it's the actual sharp end has just undone itself. Right, we've got a 94. Doesn't matter which way round I go. It's a 94. Oh, that doesn't sound good, does it? There. Yeah. Big clump of aluminium. Surface find. A notorious vape. Yeah, that's the battery section of a vape. Never mind. I've got a 70 no matter which way round I go. Just a bit of aluminium. Just a bit of aluminium. Oh, 71. That's another broken up bullet. So basically it's the copper jacket that's come off. There you go. Oh, it's coming up 1 or 2. It's obviously quiet. I'm just getting a line because it's notched. Surface find. It's a lure. There you go. There's it, a fishing weight. Just a fishing weight. Possibly another fishing weight. Yeah, there's another fishing weight. All right, fisherman rear. We've got a 57. $57. Should be a 5p, I think. Yeah, there we go. 5 pence. Let's have a little look around. They've dropped one. Have they dropped any more? $87. Not paper, is it? $88, $87, $88. Oh. Oh, there it is there. Yeah, £1. Thank you very much, Mr. Fisherman. Grumpy 72. It's possible. Could be a bullet. It could be a 20 pence piece. It's the latter. So, Mr. Fisherman, not only did I get 2 weights, I've got £1.25 as well. If there's any more. It's an iffy 79.80. What is it? Just another bit of aluminium. There you go. Alright, 79.80, and it's another bit of bullet. So it's another copper jacket. There you go. Yeah, well it is, yeah. Another bit of aluminium, it's just a bottle lid. Aluminium lid. There you go. Yeah, what did I get? £1.25. A few bullet casings, or bullet coppers, the copper jackets off of the bullets. They're probably 303s, I would have thought. Sorry, not 303s, they're 762. There is a firing range. Where are we? There's a firing range along there. So it's probably just come across, as it does. But yeah, this is a notorious part for fishermen, kite surfers, windsurfers, sand sails. Is it sand sails? Is that what you call it? Where they have their little buggy and a little sail, and they go along on the sand. I can't remember what you call them now. But that's this area anyway. So let's see what this last one is. It's starting to go all over the place. It is a 72. Doesn't seem to be moving, but it is not a straight line. Oh, it's out. Just another bit of aluminium. Yeah, just a bit of aluminium foil. I think that's going to be the last hole. Thanks for joining me. It's only a short. I think I hit an hour actually, to be fair. But it's only a short dig and a short hunt rather. So yeah, thanks for joining me. And see you at the next one. The next one should be either another beach down in Sussex, or it'll be a weekend dig, or not a weekend dig, but a Sunday dig back out with Peaky Finders. There's a 54, 55. So yeah, I've managed to get a ticket for their dig Sunday, so I shall be out with them. So yeah, thank you. See you in the next. I know I've waffled a lot longer than I would normally waffle, but yeah, thanks for joining me. See you on the next. Right, this will be the last hole. I can see a little fishing weight underneath, right at the end of the broad walk. We've got an 86, 87 here. Could be a pound. It could also be a fishing weight. And as I say, I can see a little fishing weight underneath as well. And it is a pound. 1 pound. And there's your little fishing weight. Little being the appropriate word, but it's still another weight. I'll just have a little look around in this bit, just in case. It's a 65. That's just a ring pull. Should have guessed that one really, shouldn't I?